Good morning, students. This is our picture dictionary class. In picture dictionary, which chapter we will read? We will read office chapter. Office. We will read office chapter. Okay. In your picture dictionary, page number 48. This is your office chapter. In office, what things are there and what we call them, this is mentioned here. By this, you got the knowledge that if we go to an office, what is that, what is this, you can see and you can say them. Okay, so see here. First one, here is a door and beside that there is a calendar. What it is written? Calendar. Okay. Then here dustbin. Then these are known as file folder. This type of file known as file folder. Then this is a clock. This is a clock. Okay. Then this one is a printer. What it is? Printer. Then this one is a file cabinet. What it is? File cabinet. Okay. Then see, there is a computer. This one is known as monitor. Then this one is known as keyboard. This one is known as mouse. This one CD. This one speaker. This one scanner. This is punch machine. This one paperweight. Then here it is writing pad. This one glue stick. This one pencil sharpener. This one calculator. This one chair. This is pen stand. This is pen drive. This one stapler. And this one tape. Again I am saying, first one is calendar, then this one file folder. What it is? File folder. This is a clock. What it is? Clock. Calendar, file folder, clock. This one printer. It is file cabinet. Here dustbin, chair, monitor, mouse, keyboard, CD, speaker, paperweight, scanner, punch, glue stick, pencil sharpener, writing pad, calculator, pen stand, pen drive, stapler, tape. Understand? When we go in office, there we can see a computer system. In the system, this part is known as monitor. This part is known as mouse. This is keyboard. This is a speaker. This is CD. And this one is a paperweight. Okay? On the table many things are there which are useful, right? For writing we use writing pad. Then for sticking something we will use glue stick. For sharpening our pencil we use pencil sharpener. Then to staple something we use stapler. Then to put tape we use tape. Then there is a pen drive so that we take information from the computer. Then there is a scanner. Okay. Then this is chair, this is dustbin, and here all the files are kept. So this is a file cabinet. File cabinet. And this one is a printer. This one is a file folder and clock and dustbin must. There must be a dustbin. Okay. Understand? Okay. Okay, now revision of the old chapter. What we have done earlier, we have done people at work. I have explained you people at work. So this one, doctor. Who is he? Doctor. Then nurse. Policeman. Driver. Astronaut, farmer, chef, waiter. Okay? Again I am saying doctor, nurse, policeman, driver, astronaut, farmer, chef, waiter. Then turn the page. This one, he is a magician, clown, mason, hairdresser, tailor, teacher, actor, cobbler. Again I am saying magician, clown, mason, hairdresser, tailor, teacher, actors, cobbler. Next, seer. This is a plumber. Postman, dentist, carpenter, greengrocer, gardener, mechanic, painter. Again I am saying plumber, postman, dentist, carpenter, greengrocer, gardener, mechanic, painter. Okay, you have understand that what work they do, and then you have learned today about the office. And before that, one more time we are going to revise this. Okay, traffic policeman, lamppost, subway, zebra crossing, parking, danger sign, pavement, traffic signal, overbridge, lamppost, bus stand. This also I have explained you properly. On the road safety, this is a bus stand, then overbridge, then traffic signal, pavement, zebra crossing, traffic policeman, subway, parking, danger sign. Okay? Learn all this. Old one I have revised and the new one, that page you read and learn. Okay? Today's class over, students. Thank you.